The lying pectoral stretch. This is a great move to open up through your chest, through the fronts of your shoulders. If you bind, this is a great one for you. If you get a lot of shoulder tension, this one's a great one for you. You're going to start down on the floor, lying on your stomach, arms out to the sides. You can turn your head towards the side. You're going to be moving and bringing your top leg just back to wherever you feel good about. Breathing through and holding, allowing that back arm to extend out behind. Holding for time, and then swapping sides. Doing exactly the same thing, opposite side. Enjoy.